Okay, I'm gonna do something today I've been putting off for quite a good while. Adding bushings to my front wheel of my Aaron's riding mower. As you can see, I waited way too long, and I hope it didn't mess the rim up. I bought the bushing kit from eBay. Actually came both sides, but we're gonna do one today. Came with a new dust cover. Okay, let's get started. I didn't know it had a grease fit. That's probably the reason it's in the shape it put in. Just gonna hold it in my lap, take a punch, and drive it out. Drive this one out that way and flip it over and do the other side, if it all goes as planned. Sounds pretty solid. Okay. I'm going to put this thing down. In a minute, I'll get it straight. Can't really tell that much of a difference, but it don't take much to make that thing wobble. just right smart. Oh yeah, right smart bigger. 4 out. Wipe some anti-seize around that shaft. As I like to say, mechanics herpes. Use a little bit today, and you still have a lot on you tomorrow. Oh, put it here. And of course, somebody's calling. I don't know if there's one on the other side. Yeah, it's on that side. Let's see. Very little play on this side, so I'm gonna hold up. That other set I have, I'll just use it next time I need another set. Should be it for this video. I'll see y'all.